About OneSource. OneSourceDocs.com is an online document management service with two databases containing manufacturer's instructions for use documents. These are the instructions you receive from the manufacturer when you purchase a new instrument or device. This document will tell you how to clean, disassemble, and sterilize reusable surgical instruments and devices. Let me begin by saying that OneSource is the only database of its kind. It is accessed via the Internet. There is no software to download or install. It works with your existing computer system. We provide these IFU documents electronically. Think of us as your liaison to the manufacturer. We work with more than 800 manufacturers and currently provide more than 160,000 links to instructions for use documents. Login instructions. Let's start by going to the browser and entering our website address, onesourcedocs.com, and our website homepage will appear. Once you sign up for OneSource, we will either assign you a username and password, which you can use throughout your entire facility, or you may provide us with an IP static address from your IT department. We would then provide your IT person with our OneSource logo and URL. They would then make our logo appear on all of your facility's computer screens, and you would simply click on our icon to access your OneSource account. Either option means you can have multiple users on the system at the same time with unlimited access. How to search by database. I will start by logging in, which will immediately take us to our search screen. The boxes below indicate the database you purchased. Let me show you how to search each database separately or together. The database we are actively searching will be bordered in red. We have two databases, surgical instruments and equipment. Click here to search only the surgical instrument database. The surgical instrument database contains items that are used within the sterile field. This will also include some equipment if it is sterilized. Click here to search only the equipment database. You will notice the red border box has moved to equipment when I click to search on it. The equipment database includes equipment that is wiped down outside of the sterile field, such as compression sleeves, pumps, and washers. We have equipment that is used throughout the hospital, including radiology, GI lab, ICU, and many other departments. Click here to search both databases simultaneously. All three search boxes will be bordered in red now. How to search by catalog number, manufacturer, or keyword description. Click on the blue document search engine instructions. These quick search engine instructions are always available on the search screen for your review. Now let's start searching on our own. We will begin by searching for a surgical instrument. Click Search Surgical Instruments. On the standard search side, there are three ways to search. The first one is the search you will use when you know the catalog number. You will find this number directly on the instrument. This is the best way to search because it will provide you with the fewest number of search results. You may enter a partial catalog number, and the search screen is not sensitive to hyphens. Before we head into our document search, let me mention that our documents are in Adobe Reader format. The current version of Adobe Reader is required to view our documents. Click here on the free link to upgrade to the current version of Adobe Reader if needed. Now let's put AUR into the catalog number search screen. Click Search Documents. Here we get 7 results. Make sure you scroll down to view the results. The first column is Reviewed Date. This is the date the document was reviewed by our staff by calling the manufacturer to verify. The second column is Review Status, which indicates if it is either current and/or revised. The third column is Instrument Catalog Number. The fourth column is Manufacturer. The fifth column is Description, and the sixth column indicates whether the document is in the Surgical Instrument or Equipment database. This instrument is in the Surgical Instrument database. Let's choose this one, AUR-7. Click Show Document. What you are seeing here first is our Tech Ready document. The Tech Ready document has been created and designed as a direct result of client needs for go-to information. This document is for you, the technician. All of the information from point of use through sterilization has been extracted and highlighted exactly as it appears in the IFU document for your convenience. You can see here we have highlighted cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization, and color-coded the sterilization instructions. Our utilization of the Adobe Reader format allows us to use the zoom feature, print the document, and save it to our hard drive to email it. Every internet browser may appear to look different, but all have these features. The Tech Ready is always attached to the IFU we receive from the manufacturer. As you can see here, the document from the manufacturer is large in volume and hard to read, which makes the Tech Ready very attractive. Our tech-ready documents can be printed and used for trainings, competencies, and standard operating procedures. Let's do one more search the same way, by instrument catalog number search screen, but this time let's choose something from the equipment database. First, always remember to click Clear Search. Next, click Search Equipment. Now we will enter the catalog number 8803 and click Search Documents. There are 3 results. We are looking for the top result, the BK Medical Equipment. So here we will click on Show Document. How to use lengthy tech-ready documents and navigate IFUs. This document provides us an example of a lengthy tech-ready. Lengthy tech-ready documents are for IFUs with more than 50 pages. For complex instruments, where cleaning and disinfection information is in chapters, not pages. Each lengthy tech-ready will have different directions for navigation specific to the IFU's requirements. The How to Navigate this document directive will be on the first page of the document. Although each document may appear different, all lengthy tech-readies will have these 2 features. The first is a direct link feature on the IFU table of contents, where you can click on a subject that will take you directly to that topic. This feature makes navigation simple and fast. This particular tech-ready we are searching is a combined tech-ready, as it contains 2 documents pertaining to the equipment. Let's choose the first document and click here to view it. The next step is to scroll down to the table of contents. Once here, as I mentioned, we can click on any piece of information we wish to search and it will take us directly to that section. I will click on Connecting the Transducer. Now you see how quick it was to access what we were looking for. The second feature of the lengthy tech-ready is found by clicking on the top right of any page, and the Back to Top button appears. Click here and it will return you to the first page of the document. Many but not all of the lengthy tech-readies currently have this navigation tool. We are in the process of improving the navigation of all of the IFU documents in our database and are working to implement these features on all of the documents. How to search by manufacturer and add a document to favorites list. Remember to always start by clearing our last search. Scroll up to click Clear Search. Next, click on the database we want to search. We will choose Search Surgical and Equipment Database. The second way to search on the standard search side is by manufacturer name. Choose 3M and Search Documents, and you will see all of the 3M documents in our database. Don't forget to clear your search here. And the third way to search is Keyword Description. If I type in camera and Search Documents, all of the cameras we have in our database will be listed. Let's choose camera PV423 and add it to our favorites list. Click Add to Favorites. The favorites list is a place to save documents you are frequently using. A box will appear to ask if you would like to save any notes about the instrument or piece of equipment. You can enter any pertinent information about the cleaning here and click Save. You will notice that the favorites box turns green to indicate it has been added to your favorites list. Let's now click on Favorites button to see what we have saved. Here you can sort the list of documents you are viewing by clicking on the header box at the top of each column. This will sort the lists alphabetically by the column you've chosen. For example, Catalog or Manufacturer. You may also delete documents from here if you are no longer using them. There is also a box here to add additional notes to any of your favorite documents. Let's return to Search Documents at the top of your screen. Always click on Clear Search button in between searches. How to use drop-down search. Another way you can use our website is the drop-down search. This is where you enter the manufacturer first. I will choose Acclarent. The next step is to choose a category. Click Adapter and subcategory Olympus Adapter. Click Search Documents and there we will see the document we were looking for. How to submit a document request. If you search and we don't have a document you were looking for, click on the red question mark. Then complete as much of the information that you have, such as catalog number, manufacturer, or name description. The more detail that you can provide on the email request helps our team to locate the document and complete your request in a timely manner. For example, catalog number 69098, manufacturer, Metaflex. Description, holders. Type in an email address, phone number, name, and click Submit. Your request is received by our customer service team, who are OR SPD experienced and insightful about how operating rooms and SPD departments function. with hands-on, extensive instrument knowledge. A team member will respond that they have received your email. They will then contact the manufacturer to find the document you are requesting. You will be notified via email when that document has been added to the database. You will also be notified right here. Click on our Recent Updates tab. How I am notified of recent updates. Our Recent Updates tab is where you will find a list of recently updated documents. You will also be notified on your favorites list of recent updates. First column will show when the document was revised. Second column will say revised or current. Third column, manufacturer. Fourth column, document title. How to use Recently Viewed tab. We also have the Recently Viewed tab. This will show you the last 100 documents viewed at your facility. This can be a helpful tool to see what documents are searched at your facility. Links Partners tab. On top of the page here, we have a Links button. This will take you quickly to the provided company's websites if you have questions about your sterilizers. Here's the updated Joint Commission statement. This is a list of articles we have been referenced in, and here's a link to a free upgrade of Adobe. OneSource interfaces with instrument tracking software. These three icons are for Alex Gold, SenseTrack, and Microsystems SPM. They are inventory tracking systems available for purchase by clicking here. OneSourceDocs.com offers interfaces with this software so that if you have the software, you can see the cleaning instructions while viewing the tracking information on your screen at the same time. How to contact customer service. Our customer service team is available to answer any questions you may have, and if you would like to schedule training via GoToMeeting for you and your staff, contact us at 1-800-701-3560 or email us at contact@onesourcedocs.com.